Render token is absolutely blazing at the moment. It is feeding off the AI frenzy, the storage frenzy, and of course, just in general, the altcoin frenzy that's happening right now. Right now, on the 4-hour chart, we are seeing the Render token break out once again. We recently just broke $11, and I have a much more bullish target in store. So we're going to look at this chart in a second, the lower time frame. But I want to kick things off with the higher time frame to give you guys some perspective of what I think Render token can actually do over the next 6, 12 and 18 months. And then of course we'll look at the lower time frame. Guys, hit the like button. Let's talk about this. This is so bullish. We have a textbook cup and handle pattern. So we have a big cup handle, a breakout, and we've been covering Render on the channel since, well, I actually covered it when it launched a few years ago, but most recently in a big way, sort of making daily weekly videos, because normally I cover Ethereum. I've been covering it since we were about here at the start of last year, where the token price was $1.70. Since then, I've been adding to my own Render position. You can see in my ledger, my portfolio is made up 6.85% Render token at the moment, and I'm increasing that to about 10%. So that's going to be tens of thousands more dollars in Render token I'm buying in March, and I've already started. Right now we are seeing $11.50 approaching. In the higher time frame, this is what I'm expecting to see from Render token to happen over the coming months. Let's say this is a higher time frame. We've already broken out, and we might see some big corrections along the way. So if you're taking leverage, be very, very modest with leverage, because we're still talking about a highly volatile crypto asset. Render, by the way, is the 32 largest in terms of market cap cryptocurrency, with a 4.4 billion market cap, and soon to be climbing to the top 10 places, I reckon, over the next few months, certainly this year. That's my prediction anyway. So let's look at this. I'm predicting this breakout, we do a measured move and we extrapolate that to the breakout point, and it actually gives us a price target of about $25, $26 Render, which would mean about 150% gains. And if you look at the current market cap being 4.4 billion, you're talking, let's say, about, let's call it 11 billion market cap, to give you some perspective of what 11 billion is in the cryptocurrency landscape. You're talking about Chainlink territory. Where's it gone? Yeah, you're talking about sort of Chainlink territory, Polygon territory, top 15, top 14 positions. Very possible that can happen. Render token's really solving a lot of issues, and right now on the lower time frame we can see this huge breakout. So I'm going to show you my price target for the weekend and going into next week for any traders, people looking for better entries. Perhaps there's a bit of a warning sign there. And let me remind you guys, there is a free $500 position on Bybit with the link in the video description. It is a Bitcoin trade, but you can take that long. If you want to sell it and buy an altcoin, meme coin, you can, but you have to sign up with the link down below in the description and deposit at least $100. If you want a no KYC exchange, I recommend checking out BingX. There's a VPN link down there as well, should you need it. Now, on the lower time frame for Render, we just recently saw this beautiful breakout. We have a measured move in place. This measured move, it's a big one. It's a 75% move in action, guys. And the breakout actually gives us a price target up at $18. So on my BingX account now and Bybit, I'm long. I only have a 3x leverage. When it's altcoins, guys, you do have to be cautious. We're talking about highly volatile assets. What goes up can go down. I believe the general direction is up, but you can see over the last week, Render token is up 50%. Over the last month, Render token is up 156%, and I don't think we are slowing down. I mean, if you look at the year, 957%, very, very bullish. It is really, really going places in my opinion. So let me know in the comments if you hold Render token or if you're planning on buying it. And I suggest to check out these videos that pop up on the screen about trading tutorials and about the current altcoin season. And the other thing I would suggest to check out is Marzell GPT, link in the video description for that, where you can get take profit and stop loss levels. See you on the next video, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.